Welcome everybody, welcome back to Big Boy's Food Review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Patrick Henry High School cheeseburger, fries, and drink.
Oh no.
My service was very wonderful. Actually, my lunch lady, she was very nice to me. She gave me extra fries. I really appreciate that.
Oh no.
Alright, well, I'm going to go in on the fry first. It's definitely got a, you can definitely tell this is frozen. I mean, these are not fresh, but they are very brown. They are golden brown. I'm gonna need a second opinion. Hold on. What do you think about the fries? Not good.
They're not good. They're no bueno. They're soggy.
His are soggy. Mine personally, have a little bit of sog to them, but that's a very good consistency. I like it.
I didn't say that.
Okay. Now I'm going to go in on, actually no. We're going to make a refueling stop for our Aquafina Flavor Splash grape flavored water.
Now that is the shit.
Definitely tastes grapey. Maybe a hint of carbonated water. Let's see the ingredients here. Filtered water, natural flavor.
All right, so Sean's channel doesn't pop up.
I'm going in on this. I'm going in.
Pops one. Oh, fucking right. You did.
Definitely has a good aroma to it. Very full-bodied flavor to that. I really like that.
Fucking
No, it's so moist, but yet I'd say this is a pH of probably like 9 or 8. Like it tastes very wet. So now I'm going to go in on the entree, the cheeseburger. This is a really quick food review, but we don't got a lot of time. Right off the bat, I can see that it is it's stuck, and I got a little bit of paper.
I feel like
on there.
Sean's playing Xbox.
That's just a little bit of extra flavor to it.
Yeah. I feel like the cheese isn't the best quality here. I feel like that's really not the. I don't think this is real cheese, but the meat appears to be somewhat
Dude,
real.
you're giving a giveaway? Dude, you're a 10.
So very moist. It's somehow very moist, yet extremely dry at the same time.
It's a fact.
I just saw a glory line and I was
Listen here, fuck boy. Hey, I ain't trying to catch all this smoke.
Hey, don't throw my fry away, ass. I'm gonna eat that.
Is that grade AB? Rainbow Mike suck, grade.
I'd say this is probably this isn't Arby's. That's what I'm gonna say right off the bat. This is not Meatcraft.
I said Joey.
This This isn't roast beef at Arby's, okay? And this isn't even like Burger King burger.
Well, I said Joey.
This is like
No.
This is like school lunch.
No, yeah.
What a fucking concept. I hate when the other school lunch.
Oh, the worst. Dude, I hate going to eat at a school lunch and I'm getting food from a school lunch. It's fucking the worst, man.
I think if you can combine the burger with the fry, That gives it a little more soul.
Is the bread like French artisan or?
This is not artisan bread. That's the first thing that I want to get on in here for. This is not Nature's Valley. All right.
I saw some faggot come busting up the school in a baguette thing. I said, "World over to me. I got a long ass baguette. Like a fucking radio instead of like a goddamn."
Guys, he's trying to finish his food review.
Going back in now on the burger. Oh. On the edges, it has these sear marks. Delicious.
They didn't use flagpoles, they put the white flag onto a fucking baguette.
I'm waiting for baguette.
Chill.
Shout out to Ty Blake / iWorld with 2 D's. Follow him on YouTube for another 50 sub special French Holocaust.
For his 20-second 1v5 ace on casual.
I'm going back on the fry now.
What casual game you know match point and fucking do?
Because you win the round after when you get 3, dumb fuck, dude. That's why it's 2. That actually is true.
These guys fucking.
I'm going in on the water again. I need to get the app.
Wash it down. I really just called him.
I can definitely taste the citric acid in this. You know they that's how they did it to fuck, what's his name? Mussolini. They hung him by a Stromboli.
Mr. Trent? If I were to
They took a spaghetti noodle and hung
he's a
him.
bitch. If a French man, he's a total
Yeah, but,
a baguette up his anus, would that be called a baguette? Bitch.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And I don't have any neckbeard to show today, but I'll get a neckbeard tribute video sometime. Alright. Well, if you ever at the school lunch people start talking about the French Holocaust, good luck, Charlie.